Welcome back to our chemistry unit. In our first lesson, we talked about why chemistry is more than just something you learn in school. In our second lesson, we talked about how everything is made of matter. Every solid, liquid, and gas around you is made of matter. We also talked about how matter is made of particles. Remember, particles are tiny parts of matter. We learned two things about particles. First, particles of the same kind are attracted to each other. In other words, particles of water want to stay together. That's why they form drops, stayed together in the shape of the balloon, and were hard to split. Second, we learned that particles move randomly. Randomly means they don't follow a pattern. We saw this when the food coloring particles moved through water. Today, we'll talk about how we can describe matter using physical properties. You might be familiar with physical properties like sight, smell, touch, taste, and sound. But today we'll talk about some more advanced ones like melting point, boiling point, and flammability. Let's go over the direction for today's lesson. It's easiest if you fit your document to your screen. Today you'll be able to give examples of physical properties and use physical properties to describe matter. If you're watching this video, you're almost done with part 1. Next, you'll find an object or a thing in your house and describe it. You might say things like, the color of my object is, the height of my object is, but don't give it away. Don't tell us what your object is yet. For the next part, you're going to read about physical properties. You can read this information or click to watch a short video, your choice. Then you'll describe how objects in your house are organized using physical property. If you can't find anything in your house, you can use these pictures. After that, watch this 2-minute video that explains what physical properties are. And then read about the important physical properties: color, odor, melting point, boiling point, flammability, solubility, and density. Then you'll answer a question, what is a physical property? Next, you'll use what you've learned about physical properties to describe water. Use these words to describe water using physical properties in this table. Finally, reflect on your learning targets, rating yourself from 1 to 4, and share your description from question 2 on Google Classroom. Remember, in question 2, you described an object. Make sure you don't say the name of your object. The idea is for other students in your class to guess what the object was. If you're not sure how to leave a comment on Google Classroom, watch this video. Don't forget to press turn in when you're finished.